Oh my gosh, it finally arrived. My Google Pro, my Google 6 Pro is here. What? Ooh. Oh, of course. These sneaky Google people putting these on the sides. One. Two. Oh man. I'm moving from a Google Pixel 2 XL to Google 6 Pro. Look at that. It's only been several years since I've had a new phone. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Feels good in the hand. It's a good thing I have an XL. All the other goodies are in here. Looks like it's true, we're not getting plugs anymore, but I guess I have a bunch of plugs, so I don't necessarily need a plug with my new phones. Wow. There you have it, folks. Google 6 Pro. All mine. Today's a good day.